Hi guys, it's Russian with Natalie. Today we're gonna talk about typical Russian explanations. No, exclamations! So let's get started. Давайте начинать. So let me start with my mom's favorite one. She uses it very often, all the time. It sounds like this. Ёпэрэсэт. It's a euphemism that we use when we are surprised or a bit disappointed. For example, let's imagine a situation. You put the milk to boil and you forgot about this, and you came back to the kitchen, you see the milk all spilled on the gas stove, whatever, and you can say, Ёпэрэсэт, kind of like, damn it, how could I forget? Damn it, Ёпэрэсэт. 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 One more, фига себе. It's a very commonly used one. So we use it very often when we want to show the surprise. So for example, a friend told you he got A in math, but he's really bad at this. And you can say, фига себе, really? Wow, how come? Kind of like, damn it, фига себе, A, really? Next one, да иди ты. Да иди ты. So it can express discontent, for example, like shut up, get lost, да иди ты. So for example, somebody's telling you, you don't look well today. I was like, да иди ты. Kind of like, shut up, come on. Да иди ты. Next one is, ну сколько можно уже? Ну сколько можно уже? I remember being a teenager and my parents would tell me all the time this thing. So, for example, let's imagine the situation, you're listening to the music very loudly and your parents would come into your room and would say, ну сколько можно уже? Like, how long is it going to last? Like, I can't bear it anymore, kind of like this. So, ну сколько можно уже? Or for example, you're staying in the queue and you've been waiting for maybe half an hour so far, and you're like, and you think, damn it, like, how long is it gonna last? Like, ну сколько можно уже? And then you can use the verb after this, kind of like, ну сколько можно уже терпеть, bear it, or ну сколько можно уже говорить. Like if a person is a chatterbox, always talking, and ну сколько можно уже говорить? Ну shut up, ну закройтесь. Shut up, закройся. So the next one is Ёшкин кот. Ёшкин кот is also a euphemism that we use when we want to express the surprise or the disappointment. So Ёшкин кот. Ёшкин кот. So next one is ну ты даешь. Ну ты даешь. Ну ты даешь. So it expresses like a surprise, a disapproval. So it could be both positive and negative. It depends obviously on the context. For example, a friend has just said that, I proposed to her, and you was like, really, ну ты даешь. Like it can't be, like I can't, like surprise, I can't even believe it. Ну ты даешь. Or for example, in a bad way, like you're sitting over the cup of coffee with a friend in a restaurant and she, let's say, spilled the coffee on her brand new dress, and you can say something like, ну ты даешь, like how could you do that? So, ты, it's you, so it's literally, you use this phrase when you want to address somebody else's behavior or actions. So, ну ты даешь. Next one is I would say my dad's favorite one. Здрасьте, приехали. So again, it's the euphemism which expresses the surprise and a bit of a discontent. So usually we use it in neutral, negative way, but not exactly the positive one. So literally it means hello arrived. You know, Здрасьте, hello, that colloquial one, and arrived, приехали. So it's kind of like, Mom, just don't be mad, but I got F in math. And your mom would say, ну, здрасте, приехали. Kind of like, no way, really? So, surprise or disapproval, здрасте, приехали. Здрасте, приехали. So next one, да ну. It expresses the surprise, kind of like, is it like really? For example, you know what, I told my teacher that she is stupid. Да ну. Like, really? No, it can't be. So literally when you can't believe something, you can say like, да ну, не может быть. Да ну, не может быть. I can't believe it, it can't be. Да ну, не может быть. Next one is a very commonly used expression, да ты что? It's like also like a surprise, disbelief. So it's something similar to да ну or да ты что? You know, I told her to go and herself. Да ты что? Да ну, can't believe it. One more expression of surprise is ух ты. Wow, kind of like really, wow. It's something super positive when you're amazed, like ух ты. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, be free to ask me in the comments below. And let's move further together. Давайте двигаться дальше вместе. Пока-пока.